Duct Doctor has been a single-focus air duct cleaning company since 1985. Our technicians are uniformed and well-trained by NADCA certified air system cleaning specialists. Duct Doctor offers the best equipment around and 100% customer satisfaction guaranteed. Our patented vacuum truck is second to none in the industry. The cleaning systems on this truck are powered by the diesel engine of the truck. The vacuum unit develops suction power capable of moving 6 to 8 times more air than the average system in residential homes. The air compressor, also driven by the truck's engine and safety mounted inside our truck, provides the power to drive agitation devices specifically selected for the type of ductwork in your home. Duct Doctor's vacuum hose can be deployed up to 200 feet from our truck and connects to the ductwork at your system. This allows us to extract all the contaminants and debris outside your home safely into the filtered compartment of our truck. If you're looking for air duct cleaning service, we are the company for you. Call us today at 1-800-955-1275 or visit our website at www.ductdoctor.com.